Hi my dear guys, today we'll continue trading on binary options and I really want to show you one indicator called MACD. I know that you're interested in indicators and considering situation trading on these indicators. Last time we discussed about alligator and today it will be the new one, so why not? So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put a like, write a comment. Help me with your support because your support is very necessary and important for me. I really appreciate everything you do about the support. So guys, and also if you want to get into my private chat, chat with me and ask me any questions you want to know answer to, just write me the code word private into my direct messages into Telegram and I will add you there. And we will gladly have a greatest, trading together. The dream team will be here and there. So guys, let's start. Hi everyone, today we will trade on Quotex platform and my deposit is $5 and I will try to overclock my deposit up to $15,000 today. So let's trade with the MACD indicator. This indicator helps to identify price reversal and also suggest the accumulation of volumes. So this indicator is an auxiliary tool of technical analysis and you shouldn't trust only to this indicator. To get the best result you need to use the indicator and the help with technical analysis because its combination will give you the best results ever. So guys, let's start. Well guys, to turn on this indicator you need to click here and you can see the list of indicators. We should find the MACD from the list and open it so we can see the settings of these indicators, and in combination with 50 seconds of the chart we leave the default settings. We only can change the colors of our moving averages. Let me think is one moving average difference from another one in color. I will make it red and green. So this way on the bottom of our chart there is MACD indicator, but since we already have it turned on, so I will just remove this indicator and tell you what is the entry point and how to use this indicator. So the signal is the moment when the green moving average is crossing the red moving average from top to bottom. And all of this happening in the upper zone of our indicator. It's also the horizontal line with the 0 mark, and from this horizontal line in this situation in the moment of crossing of our moving averages, there is kind of red column down from the horizontal line with the 0 mark. This will be a signal to open a trade where down. And also the indicator is working the same way in the opposite direction when we are opening a trade with up. So this indicator in this situation is telling us about the upcoming price reversal. Then in this situation I would like to open a trade with down for 3 minutes with the reserve, I suppose, because the price needs time to fall down. Also, one of the options for using this indicator is the moment when our moving average is crossing our horizontal line with 0 mark, for example from top to bottom, and at this moment we need to open a trade with down. And also guys, in the same way when they're crossing the horizontal line with 0 mark from the bottom up, for example, we need to open a trade with up. And guys, of course, combine it with technical analysis and every situation is individual. So I really want to trade today with this indicator MACD and I will tell about every situation. We will consider it together. So let's wait for the end of our trade. Well guys, it's excellent. As you can see, the reverse really happened and this indicator showed us a very good entry point, and after intersection of our moving average movement gone down, and also from the horizontal line with 0 mark there are red columns down and every next one is more than previous one. It's suggesting about the volumes to fall. So let's continue and consider the next situation. So guys, in this situation our moving averages are at the bottom of our indicator zone and the green moving average is beginning to cross our red moving one from the bottom up, and it means that in the near future the price will continue its upward movement. And let's open a trade for 3 minutes with up with the reserve. And also pay attention to the chart itself. So there is an uptrend, the price really reached the resistance level and there was a small rollback downward. I think that very soon the price will continue its upward movement and perhaps this level will be broken through. So guys, let's wait for the end of our trade. Well guys, it's excellent. The upward movement continued and these indicators showed us the correct entry point. We have opened the trade for 3 minutes with the reserve, taking into account a small rollback, and the price really rolled back to the internal support level, and after that the upward movement continued. We have got our profit. I put the horizontal yellow line, it's our internal support level. So guys, let's continue and consider the next situation on the market. So guys, on this indicator we can see that very soon there will be a price reversal. Also we can see that from the resistance level the price is starting to roll down. Our green moving average is beginning to cross our red moving average from top to bottom, and all of this is happening at the upper part of our indicator, as well as from the horizontal line we can see the red column down. Let's open a trade with down. Let's do it for 3 minutes. So guys, let's wait for the end of our trade. Well guys, it's excellent. After a small flat, the price really went lower and we have managed to close our trade in the profit. You know, everything is going well. Let's continue. So guys, here we can see that our green moving average is starting to cross our red moving average, and all of this is happening at the bottom of our indicator zone. Also from the horizontal line with the zero mark there is a green column up, and it's telling us that very soon the reversal is planned. So let's open a trade with up for 3 minutes. Also pay attention to the chart itself. There is a good powerful fall down to a certain level, and from this level at the moment there is a roll back up. So guys, let's wait for the end of our trade. It's excellent guys, this indicator showed us a reverse point and we have got very good profit. 3 minutes were enough here. So guys, let's continue and see some more interesting situations. So guys, it's the same currency pair after a while. At this moment we can see that this indicator is showing that there will be a price reverse. Also we can see at the chart that after a price gone up there will be kind of reverse, because the price maximum is getting lower and maybe the price will go down. So let's open a trade with down for 3 minutes, expecting a small flat or maybe a small pullback up. So guys, we need to check it and see what can happen. Well guys, it's not bad. This indicator again showed us a very good reverse point and we have got our profit in 3 minutes were enough here, so we can keep on our trading. So guys, look, this situation, the indicator is showing us that very soon there will be a reverse again. Also we can see at the chart and see that there is the resistance level. So the price already touched this level and after that it rolled back, and after this rollback prices are beginning to move to this level. Also pay attention to the price minimum. It's getting higher and higher, now sticking to the level. In this situation I would like to open a trade with up. Let's do it with the reserve for 3 minutes. So guys, we need to check it. Well guys, it's very good. The price really continued its upward movement and this indicator showed us very good reverse point and we have got our profit. 3 minutes were enough here, so let's keep on now trading. So guys, here we can see that there was a good uptrend. At the moment there is kind of the reverse. Also pay attention that our indicator is showing us that very soon the price will go down. So guys, there is intersection. Our green moving average is crossing our red moving average from top to bottom, and it's happening at the upper zone of our indicator. So at this situation let's open a trade with down. Let's do it for 1 minute. I think that we will get at least one pullback. Well, it's excellent guys, this indicator showed us very good reverse point and we have got a small pullback down. So 1 minute was enough here. Also on the indicator on the horizontal line with the zero mark there is a small column in the moment when we opened the trade. And next you can see that next column was longer than previous one. It's saying about there is accumulation of volumes for down movement and this downward movement will continue. So guys, we need to continue too. So guys, look at this situation on our indicator, there is an intersection. Also we pay attention to the chart and see that from this resistance level the price is rolling back down. I think that in this situation the downward movement will continue, so let's open a trade for 3 minutes with the reserve, expecting a small flat or maybe a pullback up. So guys, we need to check what can happen here. It's excellent guys, the downward movement continued and this indicator showed us the reverse point. So let's continue and consider the next situation. Well guys, let's see what else can happen on the market. Here we can see the support level. Also we can see there's the sticking to this level and the price is tending to break it through. So on our indicator there is the intersection. Our green moving average is crossing our red one, and it also happening in the lower zone of our indicator. Also on the horizontal line with zero mark there is a red column down, thereby showing about kinda downward movement of the price. Let's open a trade with down for 1 minute at the breakthrough of this level, so let's check it. Well guys, it's excellent. This level has been broken through and here we are getting our profit. 1 minute was quite enough here, so we can keep on now trading. So here we can see that there was a good uptrend. At this moment the price is reversing and going down. So pay attention to our indicator. Also it's telling us that there is entry point and our moving average of green color is starting to cross our red moving average from top to bottom. It's happening at the upper zone of our indicator. Also from the horizontal line with the zero mark there is kind of red column down. Let's open a trade with down. So guys, let's check what can happen. Well guys, it's not bad, the downward movement continued, and maybe we could put here 1 minute, but we did it for 2 minutes with the reserve. But anyway, we closed our trades in the profit, so let's continue. Well guys, at this situation we can see that our moving averages are crossing our horizontal line with the zero mark from top to bottom. It's also the signal for going down at this situation. Also pay attention to the chart and we can see that there is the support level. Also the general trend of the price is going down. It means that price maximum is getting lower. It's kind of downward movement. Let's open a trade with down too. Let's do it for 1 minute. I think the price will continue to move to the support level, so we need to check it. Well guys, it's excellent. The downward movement continued and we have got our profit. It's very good. So 1 minute was enough here. So let's continue and consider the next situation. Well guys, at this situation we can see that our indicator is showing us that very soon there is the reverse of the price, And also pay attention to the chart. We can see that there was a good uptrend. The price is kind of beginning to fall down. Our indicator is showing us that green moving average is starting to cross our red moving average from top to bottom. And also there is a red column down on our horizontal line with the zero mark. So guys, let's open a trade with down and see what can happen. Well guys, it's not bad. After a small flat, the downward movement continued and we have got our profit. 2 minutes were enough here, so let's continue and consider the next situation. Well guys, at this situation we can see that our indicator is showing us that there will be the reverse. So there is intersection and from horizontal line with zero mark there is a green column up. Also the downtrend there is the reverse, and at this situation there can be the pullback up. So let's open a trade with up. Let's do it for 5 minutes with the reserve. So guys, let's wait for the end of our trade. Well guys, not bad. This indicator showed us a very good reverse point and we had time and closed our trades in the profit. So guys, maybe it would be better to put 2 minutes, but I opened it for 5 minutes with the reserve. But anyway, we got our profit. Let's continue. So here we can see that our indicator is starting to cross our horizontal line with zero mark from top to bottom. So we'll pay attention to the chart. And we can see the support level. The price touched already at this level several times and rolled back up. So it's again coming to our level. Also pay attention to the price maximum. It's getting lower and lower, thereby kind of sticking to the level. I think that very soon the price will continue its downward movement and maybe this level will be broken through. So guys, let's open a trade for 3 minutes, wet down and see what can happen. Well guys, it's not bad. After a pullback up, the downward movement continued and we have got our profit. 3 minutes were enough here, And this situation indicator showed us a movement of the price in the connection with technical analysis. We got very good results. So let's keep on now trading. So guys, in this situation our indicator is showing us that very soon there will be a reverse of the price. Also pay attention to the chart. We also can see the price is starting to fall, really. At this situation, let's open a trade with down. Let's do it for 2 minutes. I think this time will be quite enough here. So guys, let's check what can happen. Well guys, it's excellent. This indicator showed us very good reverse point and the price really gone down and we have got brilliant, perfect profit. 2 minutes were enough here. So my deposit is $15,000 and I love this result, and it means that we have completed our goal for today. So guys, I think that you like these indicators and you must remember that you should use it in the combination with technical analysis because this indicator is auxiliary tool. So guys, I'm absolutely sure that you would like to trade yourself. Just find the similar situation on the market, trade on them, work them out, use the indicators, technical analysis. If you have any questions, write me in the comments under this video or come to my Telegram chat. You remember that I will answer any question as fast as I could, as fast as possible. So come to my Telegram, write me the code word private. I will add you there. We'll have a communication. You will ask everything you want to know, and subscribe to the channel, of course. Put your like, write a comment, and see you next time.